Hello, good people. Welcome back to yet another video here at your favorite channel. So, guys, ndandagarisa sina kumboita commentary. So, toda kupota nichiita commentary, especially pakamushana kadaiwo. Ndonatso commenta zvichaizwa. So zita rangu ndonzi Uncle Saint. Sekuziva kwenyu kuti aiwa ndini referee munyaya dzachona. Pito ndinayo handiti. Pito yekupota nichirefera ndinayo. Munyaya dzema-celebrities, munyaya dzema-streets dzinochitika ma-streets in general, social media. I'm one of vanhu vanoita social commentary. But listen, if you are watching me for the first time, if you are here for the first time, welcome. So first things first, you have to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that every time we upload a video here on YouTube, you'll be notified. If you are watching us from Facebook, do the rightful thing to do. That is, you have to follow us so that you won't miss any of our posts. So guys, today I'm here. I need to comment on the fight between Apostle Talent Farai Chiwenga, yes, and obviously one of his rivals is Evangelist Muparinga. Yes, so a bit of some background. And remember, these guys, they used to preach together there at Pagomba, Pana First Papa. Yes, so they used to share the same pulpit. Uyo akapindawo makuseni, uyo pinda maskati kana kuti vachitotedzana. So these guys, they used to be friends. And one person anogona kuzviramba izvozvo kuti vaiva mashamwari ndi Talent Chiwenga. Why? Because hanomboita shamwari na anyone. But we used to see them. I personally used to go Pagomba when Chiwenga was still preaching at Pagomba. Same na anonzani Evangelist Muparinga. I used to go there and enjoy their sermons. By then, Apostle Talent Chiwenga vakanga vasati vakutanga kuita zvekunyanyokocha stereka, zvekunyanyokuudzira mamwe mapastors kuti vanofana kurarama sei, vanofana kuita sei. He was still preaching the undiluted gospel of Christ. And same applies with Evangelist Muparinga. He was preaching there the undiluted gospel of the cross. And so of recent, as you all know, kuti before that, and kumashure mbichana, Apostle T.F. Chiwenga, he was attacking Muparinga and other preachers, just the way anogara achingoita. Most of his time papupit is not preaching Jesus, but is vari kutsura vanhu. Anditi so vakanga he was bragging. Yes, vaibraga vachiti isusu seministry tazova nemaproperties, tave nemota dzakawanda, taane chino. Then I think from that, that's where Sir Wiknochivai decided to give Muparinga. Ndopa vakadecida kupa Muparinga chipo cheGD6 plus 50,000 USD and it cash. And it chinova chinhu futi chisina kubata zvakanaka Apostle T.F. Chiwenga, because takazoona zvakare kavidhio kandoda kuti ndikuratidzei Apostle T.F. Chiwenga vachitaura zvavakanga vachitaura pamusoro pechipo chakapiwa Muparinga. And so I don't know nowadays kuti mapulpit awa ari kushandiswei, because most of the times people or rather pastors, apostles, prophets, evangelists, they are addressing my issues arufana vachiaddressa somewhere else. They are now taking the opportunity nekuti they will be on the pulpit, and they are taking advantage of this social media to post whatever they want. Is it right or is it right? Is it right or is it right? Handisikuda kushandisa rare kuti wrong. Handisikuda kushandisa rare kuti zvakanaka here zvekuti mapastors, they now use the pulpit where they're supposed to be preaching the undiluted word of God. Now they use the same platform to be addressing other fellow pastors, or they are using the same platform to be addressing politicians. They are using the same platform to be addressing stories which are not biblical. They are addressing things which are not relevant when it comes to the gospel. What do you think about my pastors at now, my preachers at now, and what do you think about this video randuita nhasi? Ayo, usandiudzire kuti zvoni usaite zve-social, ndatodzoka full time man. Full time tinoita tova kustudio memanje tichiita full time. What do you think about this? You have to watch this video and write your comment. From Uncle saying the only Zim Uncle, for now, it's much love and God bless.
I want to tell Muparinga, though he will never believe it, that the gifts he received did not come from God. They came from Zanu PF. Asi Mwari Traimo akakutengera GD6. The weekend uchivayo akatumwa na First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa. It's a Mnangagwa project. Buy gifts to every person who is social influence, so that when we bring up rogue government policies, nobody will have power to say why, to say no, to say explain, to say we want this to be reviewed. It's not good enough. Munesaninga ngoti uchi. Haasi Mwari akapa Muparinga 50,000. Izanu. Now, I might agree with Muparinga that those gifts came from God, on condition that Muparinga admits that he worships Zanu PF. Because the word God